Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Azure DevOps Fundamentals. In this video, we will be covering use of library assets. It is also known as ADO library, Azure DevOps library. So we'll be covering what is a library for a Azure pipeline. So library is a collection of build and release assets for an Azure DevOps project. Assets defined in library can be used in multiple builds and release pipeline of your project. The library tab can be accessed directly in Azure pipeline. So that is the beauty of this library. Let's suppose you have 10 pipeline of your microservices or services, and you can define any variable group or any reusable things into library group, and it would be accessible across all the pipeline in your Azure DevOps. So that is the beauty of library group. It's a pure reusability and directly available across the pipeline. So library contains two type of assets. One is variable group and other one is secure file. So let us see this all in Azure DevOps. So here I can open, here is my Azure DevOps, and then I can open my project, and you need to click here on pipeline. So when you click on the pipeline, then you can see these options here, library. So this is the library option. When you click on that, then you can see here a library group, variable group and secure file. So variable group, you can create various variable group and you define your variable there. In my case, I define some set of variable. Let's suppose I can start VG Terraform state. So what I did, I put it some set of variables here. I define this, and then I define the value, and let us create a new group, just a part of this video. So here you can click on library first, then under library you can click on this plus variable group. When you click on this plus, then you can see it will ask you the name of variable group. So I can say BG, and then I can say multi-stage. Okay, multi-stages, and then multi-stages config. Okay, so this is my variable group name. Okay, and then you can mention some description. It is used for multi-stages configurations. Okay, right. So that is, and then here you can see in variables, here you define these variables, and then you can click plus, then it will allow you to type variable. Then I would say something like service connection. Okay, and then I would say here, let's suppose my service connection is something SCN dev, right? And similarly, you can define for other environment also, right? So here you can add one more for your test environment, and then you mention test, and here you can say SCN test. Okay, so these are the service connection which you will be actually creating and assigning those names here. Here also lock, you can lock it, or so then it will be in different format, mask, star, star. So this is the way here you can define your global variable which you want to use across the pipeline, and then when you click on save, then it will save your changes. Yes. So now your variable group is ready. You can refresh it, and you can see here this is the variable group which we recently created. batch multi-stages config. Okay, and just now it is created, and then you can see. All right, yeah. Now in pipeline, how to use it? Let us see how to use it in the pipeline. So I can give you one example here. Let's suppose this is my pipeline. Okay, take it any pipeline. All right, let's suppose this one is my pipeline. So here I can see this is available across the pipeline. So here there is some parameter here, and I can use directly. Look at this is what I am using, variable group batch terraform state for the stages, right? So this is the use, how to use the variable in YAML pipeline. So that is all. What is the variable? What is the use of it? How are we going to use it? So that is all. How to create it? That is part of this video. And in next video, we will be covering the secure file inside the variable. Okay. So click on the pipeline, and in the variable there is a part of secure file. So that we need to create next time. So thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.